Hey there, and welcome to this exciting journey into AWS CloudFormation. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by managing AWS resources manually, don't worry, you are not alone. Today we will break down CloudFormation in a simple, engaging way so that by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use it like a pro. Let's get started. Alright, imagine this. You are building a huge Lego set. Would you rather place each tiny piece one by one or have a magic wand that assembles everything for you? That's exactly what AWS CloudFormation does for your cloud infrastructure. It allows you to define your entire AWS setup using templates written in JSON or YAML. And then proof. AWS builds it for you. It even organizes dependencies, handles updates, and ensures everything is set up correctly. Sounds like a magic? It's kinda is. What is infrastructure as code? Now let's talk about infrastructure as code. Think of it like a recipe. You write down all the ingredients and the instructions on how to cook them. Then CloudFormation follows the recipe and prepares your cloud environment exactly as you want it. Every single time, no surprises, no human errors. Why AWS CloudFormation? Okay, but why use AWS CloudFormation instead of setting things up manually? 3 words: speed, consistency, and automation. Speed, you don't have to waste time clicking around. Consistency, no matter how many times you deploy, you will get the same setup. Automation, it takes care of updates and dependency so you can focus on bigger things. AWS CloudFormation template structure. Now let's break down a CloudFormation template. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. A template has a format, version, and description, so AWS knows what it's looking at. Parameters, customizable values to make your template flexible. Resources, the actual AWS services you want to deploy. Outputs, useful information you might want to grab from the stack. Creating a basic CloudFormation template. Define the structure with version information, set up parameters if needed, declare AWS resources, add outputs to get important details about deployment. Deployment a stack with CloudFormation. A stack is simply a group of AWS resources that work together. Imagine setting up an entire office, desk, chair, computer all in one go. That's what deploying a stack does. It sets up all the AWS resources you need to at once. CloudFormation stack operations. Managing stacks is super easy with CloudFormation. Create stake deploys a new stake from a template. Update stake need changes. Just update the template and apply the changes. Delete stake no longer need the setup. Delete the stake and AWS clean it up for you. CloudFormation change. That's weird. Change sets save the day. Before making updates, CloudFormation lets you preview the changes. It's like a what if mode, so you can double check before hitting go and avoid breaking anything. CloudFormation rollback and recovery. Mistakes happen. Servers crash, configuration fail, but don't panic. CloudFormation has rollback and recovery to save you. If something goes wrong during deployment, CloudFormation rolls everything back to the previous working state. It's like an undo button for your cloud setup. Now that's peace of mind. CloudFormation nested stakes. Let's say you are managing a huge company with multiple departments. Would you rather create one giant, messy template or divide it into smaller, reusable templates? That's what nested stakes do. They let you break big deployments into smaller, manageable pieces, making life so much easier. CloudFormation best practices. Want to use CloudFormation like a pro? Follow these best practices. Use version control. Store templates in Git for easy tracking. Parameterize your templates, making them reusable for different environments. Tag your resources, organize and track posts easily. Advanced CloudFormation features. CloudFormation isn't just for beginners, it has advanced features too. From stake policies to drift detection, it helps enforce security and keep your infrastructure in check. If you want full control over your AWS environment, these tools will take your skills to the next level. AWS CloudFormation and infrastructure orchestration. Think of CloudFormation as a conductor of your AWS orchestra. It doesn't just create resources, it orchestrates them in harmony. Declarative templates define everything upfront. Dependency management resources are created in the right order. Monitoring and logging in CloudFormation. Want to know if your infrastructure is running smoothly? CloudFormation integrates with AWS CloudWatch and AWS configuration to monitor and log every action. Let's recap what we have done today. CloudFormation automates AWS infrastructure with templates. It ensures speed, consistency, and reliability. Features like chain sets, rollbacks, and nested stakes make life easier. Best practices help you stay organized and efficient. For today, I hope this session made CloudFormation easier to understand. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow AWS learners.